Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix paper jam E4 error on the HP DeskJet. Now to fix this problem, we want to clear the jam paper from the input or output tray. You want to go ahead and check the ink cartridge access area, and you want to clean the paper feed rollers. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your paper tray and look for visible jams. So remove all paper stack loads from the input and output tray. Pull out any visible stuck sheet gently using both hands on the paper so it does not tear. And you also want to check the underneath the printer or clean out door if your specific model has a rear access panel like this one. Next is that you want to check the ink cartridge area. Open the ink cartridge access door, wait for the inner cartridge to stop moving, and you want to look for hidden scraps of paper, torn bits, and foreign objects. You want to move the carriage gently to the sides to check the entire path. And lastly, you want to clean the paper rollers. You want to lift the input tray shield to locate the gray paper roller. You then want to lightly dampen a cotton swab with water and squeeze out extra liquid. Press the swab against the roller and rotate them to scrub off dust and debris. Let the rollers dry for around 10 to 15 minutes before turning the printer back on. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.